Ta-da-ta-ta. Oven in place, boom, 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 voila. Here we go, guys, and welcome back from Maestro Vito Iacopelli. Today things are getting super serious. Like the title says, here we have the new Arc Extra Large from Gozney. So today in this video I'm going to show you in depth the unboxing and review of this new pizza oven. We are going to make a 16 inches pizza because they sent me this huge PO. So I said I have to make a huge Neapolitan pizza. So we are going to see everything. I'm going to give it a hard test to this pizza oven. We are going to see how long it will cook, how long it will take to get to temperature, the quality, what's inside the box, everything A to Z. And then at the end of this video, you comment below if I missed something. Today the goal, of course, is we have to see if this pizza oven will pass the exam of soft and crunchy pizza. Let's go! And here we go, we got the full kit that we are going to check out what's in these boxes. So first, we're going to do the unboxing. I want to start with the small boxes, so the tools, because this is the whole kit, and then they have everything. It's gonna be in description. I believe they sell everything separate, and also you can get the stand and the oven together, and also they also have other equipment. So I want to unbox everything today. Okay, the first one is the little pizza cutter. Quality, I can tell it's really quality. They packed everything fantastic. Be careful, don't cut yourself. For now, let's keep it right here. Second box, the dome cover. Okay, we don't need to open up this one. We're gonna see this one at the end of the video. Pizza server 18. The outdoors is yours. Yes, whoa, that's a really big one. A pizza peel to take out the pizza. A pizza peel to put the pizza in, and let's start with the big things. We have the instruction how to build this stand. We got screws. I'm gonna put all the pieces on the floor to be able to see. Yeah, nothing happened. That means there's good material. Here we go, the stand, it's built and it's really well made. Look at this. Voila. Quality is really good. Lift it up, down. Then you get the brakes, you can block it. And now let's open up the box that we are here for. 3, 2, 1, done. Really well made, like always. Let's see how heavy it is. Let's do it. It's a little bit heavy. It's preferable to do this with 2 people. Let's go ahead and let's visit the new arch. Insane. Let's see what's inside. Ah, they put this thing here this way. They don't crack the stone. It's pretty tight. It's pretty compact. Let's take off these little things here. It even says here, remove before using. Hey, let's see what's inside the box here. This is just a few things. Look how many boxes we have here. It's really packaging. Gozney, I have to say, you are the #1 on packaging. I think this is the hood. Voila. Then we got the thing for the propane can. Super easy. Let's remove. We change the battery. Oh, I think it comes even with the battery. Voila! The battery goes inside here. This is for the tick, 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 to light up the burner. Here we go, baby. It's working. Digital 2024. It's digital. For all of you that don't know what's this, they put a little piece of paper here. They light up. If the tick, 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 tick doesn't work, you put a piece of paper, you go inside it, ting, voila, you turn around the pizza oven. We're gonna figure out what's this. I believe this is for protecting the flame, but let's see. Guys, I noticed that it's pretty light. It's much more light than a dome. So that's a good thing. It's more compact compared also to the dome. It's a little bit shorter. Voila! This is what was inside the box of this arch from Gozney. So now, that's what this video gets interesting, because that's nothing. Just a few minutes of your time. So thank you so much. If you're still right there, go ahead, subscribe and share. And let's see. We're gonna go ahead and plug the can, propane. Then we're gonna go ahead and turn it on and see how long the oven gets to temperature to cook the pizza. And then also ready to give it a hard test with a big 18 inches pizza and a Neapolitan style. We've been waiting exactly for 45 minutes, and this is the first review of this pizza oven. I can see right here we have to test if this thermometer is correct. So 855 Fahrenheit. What's important of the pizza oven is the bottom. So it's gonna go, it's approximately, yeah, 780. So it's really perfect in temperature. So this oven, it reaches in temperature for about, I wanna say 30 minutes, it's perfect to get to start to make the pizza. So probably the temperature right here is the general temperature inside the oven. So when the oven reaches about 800, the oven is supposed to be ready to make the pizza. So like you can see, the flame here, this pizza oven have 2 flames. So that's a small flame, and then we can higher up the flame. I turn it on the oven at the max temperature. When it reaches 800, I lower down to the minimum. Then before making the pizza, like right now we're gonna make the pizza, I'm gonna go ahead and raise the flame at the max temperature, because I wanna give a nice heat to the bottom. So one more thing, we have to check if this oven gets really hot. First of all, it's not danger, so you don't get burned. You know those kind of oven that you go back there, you get burned. This one is not danger at all. You can move around. It's very comfortable, because this stand, you can put the peel, the plate, you can put the can. Another thing is that you can move the oven around whatever you want. You got the brakes. So that's super comfortable. For me, it's already a really good thing. Now let's touch the oven, just in case you burn or something. So, to be honest, it's hot, but I can put my hands so you don't get really burned right away like other ovens. So, I can say the insulation is really good from the top, from the bottom too. The bottom actually it's even colder. So I can say they put a really good insulation from the bottom. That's why it gets hot and it retains the heat. That metal thing there, it's good because it doesn't touch the pizza. So if you get we're gonna make the 16 inches pizza, so it's a big pizza. If it was an open flame, there were risks to burn the pizza more easily. But with the piece of metal there, it's gonna protect the pizza. One thing really important here, we have 4 foot here. It's about a few inches. Like you can see, it's 1 finger. It's really good because if you don't have a stand, you can move this and put it on top of the regular counter. It's very light. I lift it up by myself, comfortable to bring it around. But now I'm talking too much. Let's go ahead and let's prepare the pizza, the 16 inches Neapolitan style pizza. I want to make a really good one. But of course, because this is a review, I have to make a classic margherita pizza. So let's go ahead and let's make it. Okay guys, here we go. We got all the ingredients. We got a special dough here, which is this. Look at this, how big it is. This is about 600 grams. And then, of course, please don't judge the pizza itself, but we are here to test the oven. So please, we have to see how this oven cooks, not the pizza, if it's thick or thin or whatever. We have to check just how it cooks. So let's put the flour on the bottom, super fermented 80%. It's not really for the Neapolitan pizza, but here we're gonna make a big one. We're gonna try to make a big one. Look at this. It's super fermented. It's about 3 days fermentation here. So if you are interested on how to make this dough, please check out my channel. Everything is there. Okay, a couple of times in the flour. Then take off the flour, stretch the pizza, press, press, press. Unfortunately, I don't have a 16 inches peel, so I'm gonna go with this one. This is a 13 inches pizza peel. So we're gonna go ahead and put it outside. It's ready. Let's go ahead and let's put the tomato sauce. I'm gonna give a no editing on the timing when it cooks. So this way we are able to see how long also this pizza oven will cook the pizza. If you wanna put basil before or after, if you wanna put it before, just put the basil under the cheese. Extra virgin olive oil on top, voila, and then we're gonna finish up with the grated cheese on top. I like to put the grated cheese everywhere. Okay guys, let's get ready. Okay, let's go ahead and let's put the pizza in the oven. So here we're gonna make a really big one. We're gonna go outside the PO. It's gonna be hard, but we're gonna make it happen. So lower down the flame at the minimum temperature. We're gonna figure out how long this pizza will cook. We are here to see and test how long it will cook the pizza. First time ever cooking the pizza. Again, here we are using 80% hydration. That's very difficult to use at 80%. No editing on the timing and everything. So first ever pizza, cooking in a Hark pizza oven. So you want to give it a time because again, this is a really big pizza. It's about to be ready. We're gonna stop the time on this camera on 3, 2, 1, stop. Whew, here we go. Don't stop anything because I wanna show everybody that this is not editing time here. So here we go. That's I'm gonna do this one right now for you. That looks good. Voila. The pizza was cooked really uniform. So now let's check out the bottom part. Look at this. Perfect cook. So this is a really big one, guys. That's a 16 inches pizza. So this one was the size of the pizza. So I messed up a little bit here, where you see there is a little bit black right here, because the pizza was folded inside. So I messed up because of the peel, unfortunately. So now we're gonna go ahead and see higher up. Let's see how this oven cook a Neapolitan pizza, and then if it's going to make the pizza soft and crunchy at the same time. I'm gonna give a vote at the end of this video, so stay there. Okay guys, let's go ahead and let's make a Neapolitan pizza classic, 12 inches pizza, and let's see how the pizza will come out and how long it will cook for, because of course 16 inches pizza it needs more time to cook. Here we go. Stretch, boom, 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 quick, a little bit of tomato sauce. I'm excited to see how and how long it will cook for. A little bit of basil before the cheese. Fresh mozzarella. Here we go. Let's finish up with some nice Romano on top, and boom, boom, boom. Voila. A little bit of olive oil. So let's go ahead. We're gonna use the peel that Gozney sends. Make it big, about 12 inches. So now let's go ahead and let's not editing the timing here or the video, because we want to see the real time, the real cooking time. 3, 2, 1, let's start the time. Voila, boom. You get a nice big space over there, so it's comfortable to cook a regular pizza. The temperature right now is 856 Fahrenheit, insane. So don't rush it. We're gonna get the real one. He's cooking lovely. No rushing. 1, 2, 3. Boom! The pizza. How is that? How is that? How is that looking right there? What's the timing frame right there? We got about 1 minute and 30 seconds. I don't know. We'll see on the video. Oh my God, let me get this. Let's check out in deep. Please get this camera there. Don't stop the video, because I don't want to see people comment there that you're gonna say, oh, he's editing the video, he cooked more, or blah, 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 blah. Stay there, don't move. Voila, there's the pizza. The first question is this oven pass the exam of made the pizza soft and crunchy? Yes, eat the pizza, it's soft and crunchy. Okay guys, I have to say this pizza was cooked insane. I have to say it's perfect. I mean, check out the bottom. It might look burned from the camera, maybe the lighting, but I have to say that a cooked uniform. Let's get the 16 inches one. Like you can see, I have to say, I'm really impressed. I'm not sure about how much would this cost because it's not in the market yet when I got it. But I asked to do an in-depth review because I really love the look of this pizza oven because it looks like a UFO. For my experience, how this pizza oven did on cooking the pizza. On the 16 inches, which is a really big pizza, is tight. It was if you have the properly peel to cook it, go for because it's. I noticed that even when it was touching the sides of the oven, it didn't burn out. So usually, when it touch the flame, it gets black. We don't have any black here because black equals burn. The oven retain heat really properly. So maybe if you're going to cook 5 at 6 pizza, maybe it starts to go down if you are fast. But if you're home, if you're making pizza one after the other one like we just did, and you raise the flame all the time, this way the temperature doesn't go down, it's really good. If you want to turn it off, you just go ahead and just turn it off. There's no door, you don't need to do anything. Just when it cools down, we go ahead and we use the cover from this original pizza oven. Vincent, please come in. Please, you've been watching the whole video. Do you have any other questions besides? No. I don't know if you have some question about this oven that you might want to know that I'm missing. I want to cover everything.
I have only one question.
What is it?
Can I have this pizza oven when you're done with the review?
I don't know. I need this to do some more videos.
No
but you tell me. But besides that, what do you think of
A+?
It was cooked.
A+.
I always give a vote. I talk always business-wise because I'm the kind of person, for myself, that I make a lot of pizzas. You know, you go 10, 15 pizzas. So for that reason, I have to give a really high number because it's good, it's nice, everything's the 8. So I want to give a nice 9.
9.
And this is the first time.
Okay.
I give it a 9.
Okay.
A pizza oven.
For me, Vito plus Gozney is a 10.
Of course. But yeah, 9 is because it's not a 10. Because always, you know, if I make the oven, I want to make 50 pizzas, I'm going to be able to do 50 pizzas one after the other one. And the reason is, you know, you don't have the stone all around the oven on top of the sides.
Right.
But that's a really good one because it keeps the heavy, you know, it's light, you can put it whatever you want.
Very portable, yes, sir.
So, besides that, you want to taste a little bit?
Please.
Can I use this? Look at this,
Please
soft
do.
and crunch.
Yeah.
So let's taste this one second. This is it.
This is for you, this is for me.
Here, let's taste together right here, live. Let's taste the crust. Let's see how it cooked the oven.
Yes, sir.
The bottom is good, huh?
Yes, sir.
See, look, it keeps changing.
Ching.
The tasting is good, guys.
I got nothing bad to say.
Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with everyone. This way, if you want to buy a oven or whatever, you have the all on my channel is everything about pizza. And then I have so many unboxing review. You can choose what kind of oven you like. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Every week, new video. I'm gonna finish all. Yeah, that's for you.
For me.
That's for me.